what a spectacular updraft. My goodness, we're gonna get a good look at it when we get over this hill. Come on, tornado warning, where are you? You need it. You need it badly. The river down here, the Mamadas, everything, it's just absolutely beautiful. Yes, I get excited when I chase.
No shit.
Yeah, this is an exciting river.
The storm is going to be phenomenal if we can just get to the view of it. Yeah, we're going to have to go to Mullen, and then we're going to have to just work our way south. Let it come to us. Maybe. We may take a little hail here. Actually, the hail's gone, size has gone down to golf balls. Isn't there a warning?
Gorgeous thing.
I don't understand that one at
all. Unless they have somebody right on the ground, right underneath that to say, oh yeah, don't worry about it.
I don't see how you can say that.
No.
Major tornadic type of a gecko on the storm. I am just absolutely at a loss why there's not a tornado warning on this side.
Yeah.
When you see a supercell that's wrapped up, that looks like a scorpion tail like that, there very possibly is something in there that we just can't see it. Yeah, a little bit of forward flank core. Gonna work a few miles closer, and then we'll get a stop again and let you get out. Not a long stop because the big hail is going to be here in no time. I see if we can still come back to Mullen then. Yeah, we can take golf balls without breaking a window. Oh my God, the view we're going to have. It's gonna be insane. We're going for it. I don't give a shit.
Tornado!
Oh, tornado! We have a tornado in the ground there. You see it?
Yeah.
Tornado! Cold tornado! Oh, can you hit your wipers, Bill, please? Clean these windows off. Look at the sun.
Oh, that's the sun, yeah.
God.
Right now we want to see a tornado, but that sun is really cool.
Goddamn.
Come on, let us be in, let it be in there still. Let it be in there. Can't tell. Looks like it is, but we just got to get closer. It may be getting bigger. Oh yeah, it's still in there. We get over these hills and you'll see it a lot better. Even a tornado in there. Oh my God, it's a wedge! You see it?
Yep.
There's a wedge tornado in there. Oh man, gigantic tornado, monster tornado. We get big hail, Such is life. can give new windshields. We need to report this somehow. I don't know how we're going to report it. We need to get a good view. I think you're going to get one coming up here in a second. Look at the wedge! See it?
Oh my.
My God, it's a huge, huge tornado! Wow! Bill! We just need to hope it's still on the ground. Yeah, they're still on the ground. You can still see the big storm.
Yeah.
I don't understand why they don't have a tornado warning down here.
Nobody's here to see it.
Nobody's out here. Nobody's out here. Large tornado in there. Wrapping in rain and hail. Massive tornado. And the structure of this storm is jaw-dropping. Did you see my video from the back?
Yep.
That's the structure of the storm. We got to get a place where you can have an open view and see the tornado and the structure that's coming right up here. Oh my God, Bill, look at that. That thing is monstrous size. This is no wimpy tornado. This is a big, big tornado. Go away, trees. Get the hell out of the road.
Violent tornado.
That is not a wimp. You're gonna get hail there. Oh man, we gotta get a spot on this road where we can see. And we're just gonna get hailed on here, and that's just how bloody life is. Nothing we can do about it. You really need a shot of this storm and the tornado. Look at the structure. Sculpted Liberty Bell, twisting and turning. Where does this road? Okay, it's gonna go up here, it's gonna curve back to the left. That'll get us a really good shot of it. Yeah, here comes the hail. That's just, we're gonna have to live with it. If we break a windshield, we break a windshield. Sometimes it's worth it. Right now it's not very big hail. Oh, come on, road, come on, bend on around. It's gonna make a big bend to the left here. It's already crossing the road. Oh my God, look at the tornado. It's a monster. Holy crap. Wow. Come on, just give us a spot where we can stop. We're gonna stop right up here. We've got to, Bill, we gotta stop. We get around this corner, let's find a place to pull over, because we gotta do this. Everybody needs to get a shot of this monster. Yep. Oh my God, you shoot whatever you want to, okay? I'm not helping you right now. You're totally on your own. Oh man, the trees. Can we just go past the trees?
Yep.
Yeah. You know what you need to shoot. I have a 24 millimeter on it, and I can get the entire storm. Oh man, what a monster tornado! Yeah, right here is good. Good. All right, stop. Let's go. All right, jump out and shoot.
tornado.
There it goes. Unfucking believable! Unbelievable! What a flight! This is what you want. I can't have it on my computer. Oh, that slide door's got it. Can you shut that slide door? We have no way to get south, Bill. There's no way to get south. Can you bend down in front further, please? Can you bend down? Bend down. There you go. Oh, look at the vortice on the side of it. Oh, wow. Huge vortice on the side. Oh man, we just lost view. We have no way to get a better view of this, unfortunately, unless we go all the way back to Mullen, and that's what we're gonna have to do.